Good morning. Hey, what's up, folks? This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Got the live LBTS cam up right now, and an interesting looking, I think it's a sailing ship out there. Not seen that one before. Okay, well, let's get into what the current markets are today with gold, silver, and platinum, where they're headed, and a quick update. Where have I been? Well, I went on vacation. I was gone for about 15 days, was in Switzerland, and just got back last week, actually, but was in Switzerland for about 2 weeks or so, and was there right when the tariffs were going to hit on gold. I wanted to do a little video on that, but it turned out, as I expected, to be a nothing burger, more or less. I think that the big discrepancies in trade with Switzerland, according to Trump and the Trump administration, they looked at the big imbalance that they had with Switzerland, which was huge, really, and huge, and they said, well, hey, look at this trade imbalance. But I think what the Trump administration missed, and I had brought this up on my X, I'm on X, and I can post out there occasionally. It's easy to do from a phone, no production involved. But and you can follow me on X too under my name, Brian Kuzmar, under Commercial Rare Coins. But I posted out there when I was there that I didn't think it'd be a nothing burger. I think that the Trump administration kind of bumbled into that. They just saw that there was a big trade imbalance there with Switzerland. They didn't realize that it wasn't a product, it was a process, it was a service. With the Swiss, that big imbalance that the Trump administration was looking at with gold, not with the tariffs and everything like that. The Trump administration was looking, wow, why is there such this imbalance? But I think they were thinking of product, like maybe Rolexes and cheeses and chocolates, Swiss chocolates. I don't know what they were thinking, but the imbalance in trade with Switzerland primarily has to do, again, with a service, not a product, not a mineral coming out of the ground, not something someone's making there, but a service. And it's really a low profit service. I mean, if you think about it, refiners in Switzerland, where a lot of gold goes to get refined, they're probably working on a few percent at best, okay? Although the numbers look big, that trade imbalance would not be important to the Trump administration. I think they quickly figured that out, and they also quickly figured out what an impact that would have to do on the price of gold and the gold markets, which they're involved with as well. So again, the tariffs on Switzerland turned out to be a big nothing burger because they had nothing to do with gold. So here we are again, and it might have had a little effect on the price of gold. There, a little bump up, a little bump down on the intraday level, but folks, we're in a full-blown gold, silver, and platinum market, and probably palladium too. I can say that, even though I don't know much about palladium. We're in a full-blown bull market on all these metals. You really, it's hard not to be a genius in a bull market, all right? And that's what we've been in with gold, silver, and platinum. A lot of people don't realize it. Bull markets, to some people, especially the FOMO crowd and the get-rich crowd, and the people that jump on things and jump out of things real quick, them. They always stay broke, those same people. The same people that are bitching, oh, silver is only $37. It's, how is that a bull market? And same thing with gold. Although gold has performed significantly better as far as percentages and how fast it's gone up. But gold, silver, and platinum. Platinum up almost 40%, 40+% in a year or so, maybe a little bit less than a year. So yeah, we're in full-blown bull markets. But again, the whiners and the people that don't understand that a bull market doesn't mean that it goes up on a 45-degree angle or straight up like a candlestick overnight and you get rich. That's not bull markets don't look like that. Abnormal bull markets look like that. But gold and silver and platinum has been in a bull market really since 2016. And I know, again, a lot of people are going to go, 2016? What do you mean? But it's been an upward trend since 2016 after getting whacked in 2011, 2012. And again, that's a whole long story. Whacked by who? JP, of course. And they got fined for it. But, because we all know that gold and silver markets and platinum markets, I'm sure, and palladium are highly manipulated. And by whom? We all know that. We're not going to go into that today. So what am I saying is, buy the dips when you can. This is my opinion. Just buy the dips. Keep adding to your stack, all you stackers out there. And remember, us stackers, people that stack gold and silver, and people that sell gold and silver like myself, we're just a small fragment of the U.S. economy. We're like 1% of the people out there if we're lucky. So don't judge gold and silver sales. Like when you walk into your coin shop now versus a couple years ago, because it's quiet in all bullion stores right now, not necessarily the coin store, but in bullion stores generally, the bullion market, all these bullion resellers, they're having a rough go at it. Fortunately for us, we do other things, collectibles, artwork, antiques, coins, but guys that are just strictly in the bullion market, having a really rough time, and they've been having a rough time for the last couple of years. Wouldn't be surprised to see some of them exit the market, hopefully in a quiet and orderly way. But no less, the bullion market for stackers is just dead, gone. It's been gone for a little while. Starting to pick up a little bit right now. And again, here's another thing too: is a lot of people in our industry and a lot of people that are new stackers say, well, the shops are so busy, the stuff is so cheap. How can you be in a bull market? Well, again, remember, stackers of Krugerrands and Eagles and silver bars and platinum bars, we represent such a small part of the physical gold market. And who does represent a big part of that physical gold market? Industrial users when it comes to silver, central bankers and banks when it comes to gold, all right, because it's a store of value. And platinum, I would say industrial as well as palladium. And silver, again, we know that silver is getting harder and harder to find, and the process for refining silver is getting longer and longer and longer, and the amount of silver needed by industry is just getting greater and greater and greater. That's why we're seeing silver move up, not because it's a monetary metal necessarily, or stackers are buying it or stackers aren't buying it. Stackers have nothing to do really with the price of silver, barely. Maybe we did a little bit, but for the most part, that silver market is entirely moved by mostly industrial uses, okay? And then you've got your investment, your big investment ETFs and stuff like that would be the second biggest users, I think. All right, let's, prices right here looking real good. Again, buy the dips. If you see a dip down to that $35 level, oh my gosh, yeah, I'd definitely say buy. Buy the little dips little, buy the big dips big. Again, that's just my opinion, particularly in silver right now. I don't think, everybody's a winner in a bull market, and that's what we're looking right now. We're looking at a long-term bull market. And everybody says, where'd you get that from? Say, hey, I got it from Kuzmar. He told me we've been in a long-term bull market to 2016. Love to debate that with anybody that says otherwise as well. All right, well, I'm going to keep this video fairly short, even though I haven't done one in a while. Not getting into any specifics. Don't forget, if you are a stacker, you should have this bookmarked on your site, gata.org. One of the really good sites out there talking about gold and silver. And what else do I got going on out here? All my videos I did here recently, China controls gold now. That's kind of an interesting video right there. And will silver break $40 this week? Now that was 2 months ago, okay? So it's been over 2 months, obviously, since we've been looking at the $40, $35 plus level. So, and the fact that we're still in $35 level in the slow summer months, all right, is very a good sign. And the refiners are still backed up. That's a video I did a little while ago, and I'll probably do another video on that shortly, so stay tuned. But the refiners, for some odd reason, and it's not because of stackers, it's because of industrial use and probably a demand for investment-grade bars, 1,000-ounce bars, are still backed up for months and a half. Metal ore still not buying. Again, I digress. I'll go into that story later. Stay tuned. I'm hoping to do some more videos here in the future. All right, well, I wanted to keep this one really short and sweet. If you're looking to buy gold, silver, platinum, don't forget, I'm Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. I've been doing this since 1977. I've been in this location since 1995. Again, if you're looking to buy gold, silver, and platinum, you live in South Florida, we're a brick and mortar. We don't do online sales. Please come by anytime. We also do rare coins and stuff as well. You don't need to, if you live in South Florida and you live anywhere close to me, you don't need to order from SD, JM, Atmex. All great companies, by the way, and that's why I named them, because who do you want to beat? You want to beat the good companies out there. So we'll beat their buy and sell prices in South Florida, and also the locals as well. And there's a lot of good locals too. Don't want to diss those guys. I want to beat them. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, I guess listening, and watching and listening. And hopefully I'll get some more videos done here quickly. I keep saying that, I keep threatening you guys with that, but I will. I'll start producing some more videos. I've got some more help here in the store, which is nice, but again, I'll leave that for another time. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.